Hello. I am Suha.
Today we will talk about past simple. We use past simple when we talk about something that happened in the past.
She visited her grandmother last weekend. They went to school yesterday. In the 1980s, people used candles. You write a sentence in the past starting with a subject, then the verb plus ed, and last is the object. Like the sentence, they went to school yesterday. How do you know if a sentence is in the past? There are some cues as yesterday, ago, in, year, last, week, month, year, in the past, this morning. In this sentence we have last weekend. In this one we have yesterday. In this sentence we have in a year, which is in 1980s. There are two types of past simple verbs: regular and irregular. In regular, we add ed to the verb. For example, walked, visited, looked. In irregular verbs, we change the whole verb. For example, ran, flew, went. There is no rule for making the verb regular or irregular. Here are some examples for regular and irregular verbs. You should memorize them. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed learning past simple.